Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have answered the first chapter of Biology, Life Processes, Unit Test Paper 6. So in today's video, we'll answer the Unit Test Paper 7. So let's move on with the questions. Question number 1. The kidneys in human beings are a part of the system for options A. Nutrition, B. Respiration, C. Excretion, D. Transportation. So we know that the kidneys in human beings are a part of excretory system. So answer is option C, excretion. Next, question number 2. Autotrophic mode of nutrition requires. So autotrophic mode of nutrition requires option A, carbon dioxide and water, B, chlorophyll, C, sunlight, D, all the above. So as autotrophic mode of nutrition means they are green plants. So green plants require all these things for preparation of food. So answer is option D, all of the above. Next, question number 3. Small intestine is called the site of complete digestion. Why? So we'll see the answer. Why small intestine is a site of complete digestion? Because in small intestine, fats, carbohydrates and proteins get digested. So in the small intestine, all carbohydrates, proteins, fats are get digested. Hence, they are the site of complete digestion. So we'll move to the next question. Question number 4. What similarity is observed in the structure A and B with respect to their function? You can see here A, it is respiration, and B is digestion. So here two pictures are given. You have to observe what are the similarities in both of the picture. So here lungs will remove the waste. For the first picture means in respiration, carbon dioxide will be removed. So lungs will remove the waste as carbon dioxide. And in second picture, the intestine, large intestine removes the undigested food. So both of them, they are going to remove the things here. Next, question number 5. What is peristaltic movement? So as the same is repeated here, you can see a rhythmic contraction and relaxation of esophagus muscles to move the food is called as peristaltic movement. Next, question number 6. Eating chapati by chewing it very slowly tastes sweeter. Why? So eating chapati by chewing it very slowly tastes sweeter. Why? Answer. Because while chewing chapati, saliva is secreted. The saliva consists of an enzyme called salivary amylase that breaks down the starch present in chapati so that starch is broken into simpler sugars here. Hence, while chewing the chapati, slowly it tastes sweeter. Next question, we'll move to the next question number 7. The body temperature of frogs and lizards depend on temperature in the environment. Justify. So the body temperature of frog and lizards, they depend on the temperature in the environment. You have to give justification for this. Why? Because they have 3-chambered heart. This is the first point. They have the second point, they are cold-blooded animals. The second point, third one, oxygen blood and deoxygenated blood mixes in the heart. That is third one. And fourth is production of energy becomes slightly less. This energy cannot be used for maintaining constant body temperature. So this is the 4 important aspects with related to the body temperature of frog and lizards. That is amphibians and reptiles depending on their body temperature or the environment. Next question. So we'll move to the next question. Question number 8. Differentiate between saprophytic and holozoic nutrition. So we'll see what is saprophytic nutrition and holozoic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition, it is a absorptive type of nutrition. Saprophytic means it is an absorptive type of nutrition. Holozoic nutrition means it is an ingestive type of nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition, the food obtained is in liquid state as it is absorptive type. the food will be in liquid state. In Holozoic, the food obtained in solid state. In saprophytic, the digestion is external. In Holozoic, the digestion is internal. So these are the differences between saprophytic nutrition and Holozoic nutrition. So we'll move to the next question. So the next question is question number 9. What are the components? So what are the components of transport system in human beings? So what are the components of transport system in human beings? What are the function of these components? So we'll see. So the transport system's components are heart, blood vessels. Heart, blood vessels are the components of transport system in human beings. Then the functions of each. Heart, it pumps oxygenated blood to various parts and receives carbon dioxide blood from various parts. So this is the function of heart. Then blood maintains function is to transport, protect and regulation. What is the main function of blood means? It helps in transportation and protection and regulation. Blood vessels, they help to transport blood throughout the body. So these are the components and their functions. So we'll see the next question. So the next question is question number 10. How are fats digested in our bodies? Where does the process takes place? So how do the fats digest in our body and where does this process takes place? Let's answer this question now. Question number 10. Liver will secrete bile juice. This bile juice is in small intestine. So where is this secreted means? Liver secretes the bile juice and this bile juice in small intestine, they convert large fat globules into small fat globules. We know that it is called emulsification. Then in pancreatic juice, they containing an enzyme called as pancreatic lipase. This converts this pancreatic lipase, which is in small intestine, help in digestion of fats. Digestion of fats takes place in small intestine. So that's why the fats are get digested in our body in small intestine by the process called as emulsification. And here the enzymes which plays a very important role for this. So by this we have answered the unit test paper 7 questions successfully. And the last question is a diagram. You have to draw the open and closed stomata diagram. So we have completed the question paper. So that is unit test 7. In the next one more unit test paper 8. So far we have solved 1 to 7 unit test papers. So the first chapter of biology life processes we have answered. So 7 volumes of unit test papers. And one more unit test paper is there. So that is unit test paper 8. So this unit test paper 8 I am going to give you as a worksheet. Means it is an homework. So this unit test paper 8 you have to answer and practice well so that you can be able to answer the questions easily. So thank you.